Hello everyone, welcome back to day 3rd of my English speaking challenge. Today I want to share my dream with you all. So my biggest dream is to represent India in an international beauty pageant. Many people think that beauty pageants are all about appearance, but they are also about confidence, communication, personality, and the ability to inspire others. So I have decided to work on myself every single day because one of my biggest challenge is English speaking. Sometimes I feel nervous, sometimes I make mistake, but I know every expert was once a beginner. So instead of being afraid of my mistake, I have decided to learn from them. That's why I take this challenge, and through this journey I want to improve my confidence, communication skill, and become the best version of myself. The road won't be easy, but dreams don't work unless we do. I hope this journey inspires you to work on your own dreams no matter how difficult they seem right now. Thanks for watching me, and please do subscribe my channel if you like this video. That's it.